Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know fuel injector is bad. Full guide. Check engine idle and listen for irregular ticks, then inspect spark plugs for fuel fouling. Monitor fuel economy and drivability during acceleration and cruising. Smell around the engine for raw fuel and inspect injector seals. Note any engine hesitation under load, and track trouble codes with a scanner to isolate injector cylinder issues. Start with basic tests that you can do at home or at a shop. Measure injector resistance with a multimeter and compare to specs, and perform a balance test to spot weak cylinders. Use a mechanic's stethoscope to listen for consistent injector clicks, which indicate proper operation. Scan for trouble codes that reference injectors or misfires, and note any persistent lean or rich running conditions. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical car tips. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that I use for shop lunches. See the description for the link and other deals. Your support helps me test more tools and tips for maintenance. Thanks for sticking around. Now let's get back to the video. Understanding the root causes helps you prevent repeated failures. Dirty fuel and carbon deposits change spray patterns and reduce flow, while electrical issues like corroded connectors stop injectors from firing. Heat and age wear out seals, causing leaks or drips that flood cylinders. Address fuel filter, fuel quality, and regular injector cleaning to extend service life and maintain smooth engine performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.